Hi! There is this little competition thing going on the main channel, which isn't really the main channel, but it's the same channel, but outside of Patreon. There is this thing going on where I randomly give away a Commodore 64 repair and future-proofing. I said in that video that I'm going to make another repair thingo giveaway on the Patreon channel for you patrons, so this is it. So you have to comment on YouTube, so you have to click on the video, go to the YouTube page and comment on the video there. And you have to mention C64 repair, just like in the other video, and then I'm going to pick one of you and repair your Commodore 64. So that's an extra chance. You can, of course, participate in both of the challenges, competitions. It's more of a competition than a challenge. I don't really know. So it's a random pick. So you get the chance. I might give away some stuff to the other participants. I think I'm going to pick 3 or 4 or 5 winners and send some stuff to you, because I'm really grateful for the donations you give me. Thank you all very much. The same rules apply, you have to be an adult. I doubt there's somebody on here who's not an adult. Good luck! You probably know what to do. I'm going to fix your Commodore 64 if you're lucky. Thank you so much for your donations. More stuff, more exciting stuff coming up really soon. So thanks for watching. I'm Jan Beta. See you next time. Bye. Oh, and of course I have to mention there's no warranties of any kind. If I break it, I break it. I try my best not to break it, but I'm not a professional, so I don't have real professional insurance or anything like that. So enter at your own risk. I'm going to try my best, and we're going to figure something out if I should break any of your stuff. So you have to pay for shipping to me. I'll pay the shipping back to you no matter where you are in this world. So yeah, that's all the rules, I think. Good luck.